Hello everyone, welcome to the west side of Mundelein High School. Corey Tafoya is superintendent here, and I'm with Kevin Quinn, our director of facilities and operations. They should take a picture of us now, Kevin, because this is like the day before our summer of construction, the longest summer. So look at us now. We may look a lot different in September when you come back to school, right?
Yes,
It's going to be a heck of a summer. But this will be the first of many installments over the summer where you are fully updated on all the things going on. We're standing on the west side of the school, and I'm going to tell you there's so much that's going to go on in the next 4 months around here. But we want to just talk about those first steps. And Kevin, you were just telling me that Friday afternoon, as soon as the kids leave, and then Saturday, double shifts, this area right here is going to be immediately under construction. We're not missing a single day, folks. We're going right away.
Yeah, we're going to start at our cafeteria remodeling project, which is a significant, amount of construction for the summer. So that begins Friday night. We're going to work Friday night, Saturday, double shifts. And then as you see in the background here, this fencing will come down as we prepare to open up our 8 classroom addition in the beginning of this next school year.
Gosh. A lot of people ask me about the fencing and the new parking in front of school. They're seeing that. Is there anything new with that?
We'll take that fencing down now that we've established the parking lot there. We'll take that down, we'll landscape around it, and then as staff comes back in the beginning of the year, we'll have that as a functioning 31 space parking lot.
So behind us also, the Commons, a tremendous amount of work there.
Yes.
Tremendous amount of work going on in this entrance. What's going on in the Commons first?
So the Commons area will be completely, the seating area will be completely gone out into the auditorium space. So we'll see that expanded seating area. The kitchen itself comes along this west wall in the back, so the orientation of the kitchen's changed. And then we'll see that seating area. The servery is going to be fantastic, much more options. You'll get the students through much quicker, and all new kitchen equipment. Not all new, but a lot of it will be new kitchen equipment.
So Mundelein, we love your curiosity about all this. We know how proud you are of this wonderful place we call home, Mundelein High School. You're going to see a lot of this fencing going down on the west side of the building because we're doing work. These classrooms are going to be ready, and there's going to be landscaping before we know it, so we can get these classrooms ready for teachers to move in next fall when we get back. And we're going to gradually keep telling the story over the summer, but we'll gradually keep working north. I think maybe one of the things we can show is the placement where all the concrete massive pieces are going to be laid out. Maybe that's what we show people next.
Yes. Yep.
So we'll see you in a week or so with more updates, but we love to tell you about the project, all the projects and the exciting things going on happening here. Thanks, Kevin, for all your hard work.
Absolutely.
Look at these faces, fresh to the daisy, and we'll keep updating you Mundelein on all the good stuff going on here.